Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you upload high quality videos into your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook application, and after opening the Facebook, simply click to these three bars in order to go to menus. Now after coming to menus, simply click to this gear icon just below the magnifier icon. Now by clicking into that, you will be prompted into settings and privacy. From here, you just simply have to select media into preferences. After coming to media, you can see video quality settings into the top. You simply have to select optimize option into here. If you save data saver, your video will be 40% less in qualities, but if you save optimize, the video will be uploaded as it is into your gallery. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.